What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. This is Rusty Garage, and today I got a trailer hitch on the back of my truck that rusted out, and so the receiver won't take the shaft in the ball. That didn't sound right. You can see how rusty it is. This is the unit we're going to be putting on. This is the assortment of tools that we're probably going to need. So they're the tools that we're going to be using. Let's see what we can do. Mistakes have been made. It needs to go back here, not here. It still won't come off. Okay, I think we finally got it. There's a hole there now. That's a start. And the pin goes through. So now you know the easiest way to install a trailer ball onto your hitch when it's really rusty and corroded. Just get yourself a mall hammer and then go through a couple hours of paint. Thanks for watching, guys. This was Rusty Garage. Hope to see you next time. Peace.